This video introduces how to configure policies to block internal users from accessing adult websites. The example scenario is as follows. The enterprise internal network connects to the internet through device A. The administrator needs to configure a policy on device A to prevent internal users from accessing adult websites. Before configuration, complete the basic internet connectivity configuration according to your network plan, and update the URL signature library on device A to the latest version. Log into the web UI of device A, and choose Policy then Security Defense then DNS Protection. Enable the DNS filtering function. Set effective security zone to any, and toggle on .traffic blocking, DO traffic blocking. Disable SVCB, and disable HTTPS. Click Save. Choose Object then Content Identification lib then URL category then Advanced Settings. Toggle on Cloud-Based Analysis to enable the Cloud-Based Analysis function. Click Save. Choose Object then Content Template, then URL Filtering then Custom Template. Click Create. Enter the template name Test, and set the action for both the unsavory and the category uncategorized categories to block. Click Save. Choose Policy then Security Defense, then Security Policy. Click Create. In the displayed dialog box, select to add this policy directly to the security policy list or to the simulation space. In this example, a policy is directly added to the security policy list. Enter the policy name, set the policy group to which the policy belongs and the priority of the policy. Set source security zone / interface to trust, and destination security zone / interface to untrust. Set action option to permit. Toggle on URL filtering, and associate the URL filtering template test configured in the previous step. This will inspect and block traffic from the internal network attempting to access URLs categorized as illegal and harmful, or unknown. After verifying the configuration, click Save. Click Create to continue creating a security policy. In scenarios with strict requirements for blocking adult websites, it is essential to intercept web traffic based on the QUIC protocol to improve blocking effectiveness. Enter the policy name deny_quick, and set its priority higher than that of the deny_unsavory_URL policy. Set source security zone / interface to trust, and destination security zone / interface to untrust. Click the service field and create the custom service quick. And then select the service. Set action option to deny. Click Save. Once the configuration is complete, when an internal PC attempts to access an external adult website, the traffic will be blocked and the site will be inaccessible. Log into device A to review the corresponding logs. Thank you for watching.